Man, it's nice and sunny out here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Now, y'all stick around a little bit because we're going to do a full inventory walk right now.
Going down, back on black, big box, you will revving up, raising hell, pick a spot, just for two, baby, I can't stop looking at you. I wanna know what's on your mind, rest of time in the backseat of my car. Yeah, you know what I've been thinking, no, you're not complaining in the backseat of my car, not the moment that was shaking.
All right, guys, we're going to be walking the lot. Looks like we got a bunch of pollen on here. Yeah, they washed them Friday, but that didn't matter. A few days out here, crossing the hillside, gets pollen on every single thing. So they're gonna wash them again today, but I'm not gonna wait for them to wash. I'm gonna go ahead and do the lot walk and get it out for y'all to watch. Because we're gonna be updating at 12, and I try to hit that deadline every single Monday. Be sure to check out maplemotors.com for all of our inventory. That's maplemotors.com. If you're watching this on YouTube or TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook right now, maplemotors.com is the main website. This is the video platform here is not the main website, but it is very informative, telling you the year, the model of every car here, showing you all the new inventory, and then test drives throughout the week. Now, those test drives go over flaws, chip scratches, rust, dents. We're gonna look at the frame. We're gonna listen to the motors. We're gonna check the brakes, what happens when I floor it. If any issues come about throughout the video, I tell you about it. We have a very small markup here, and that's why these cars are priced so cheap. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Now, just for example, I was listing this El Camino this morning. A guy come in and bought it. 1987 Chevy El Camino, super nice car. I already did the test drive video last week, and I was gonna list it today. But now I'm gonna hold it for the end of the week. Market is sold. It's already sold. We ended up getting $15,900 out of it. Next car, 1970 Chevy Monte Carlo. This was a pretty green, matching interior, $17,900. Next to that, something new, 1966 Plymouth Sport Fury. This car was super nice as well. Already did the test drive video. It's coming out this week, $26,900. 1969 Plymouth Satellite. This one here, Roadrunner Clone. This one's priced at $24,900. Yeah, we've been picking up some Roadrunners here. 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner, blue with the black stripes. It's got the blue interior, 4-speed car, $41,900. Another Roadrunner sitting here, 68. This one here, probably the nicest out of the bunch, $44,900. Across the back end of the front row. We do have financing, we do have shipping available on all of these cars. Halfway through the video, we're gonna stop off in the showroom and check out the Hot Wheels store that we have on premises. But that'll only take a second. We're gonna skip around a little bit. Guess we'll go over this way. There's nobody over here, so maybe I can get some cool shots of these cars. We'll come back out and see if everybody left. I don't want to get a bunch of people in the video here. So 1970 Ford Mustang Fastback. This is a Fastback clone. Somebody actually made a Fastback out of this. This car is not 40, 50 grand. This one's $27,900. That's the best part about a clone. Get something that looks like a Fastback without spending Fastback money. Next to that, Candy Apple Red Supercharged 350 Convertible 67 Camaro. This was $39,900. 69 Chevy Camaro 502 big block. She's set up for the strip, but you can drive it on the street. $39,900. Brand new to the inventory, 68 Camaro sitting here with a 4-speed. This car actually runs out good. It's pretty quick too. Aftermarket set of coils. Got disc brakes, $34,900. 1970s Chevy Nova sitting here with a hot rod 350 motor, $24,900. We did have that other white Nova. We ended up selling it. What about a 1972 Dodge Challenger? This one's $28,900. Again, guys, $28,900. New inventory here. 1999 Chevy Z28 Camaro, 30,000 miles. That's it, 19.9 with the T-tops, aftermarket wing. Now guys, stick around. We'll be right back out here on the car lot. For now, we're stepping into the showroom and then to the Hot Wheels room. Okay, so the Hot Wheels room here, Jim White's Hot Wheels channel. You can go on Instagram, you can go on TikTok, you can go on YouTube here and type in Jim Fight's Hot Wheels channel, and it's going to pop up a showcase pretty much every single day showing off the cars in this room. You can come to Maple Motors, and here on premises, you can actually check this out. Just ask Pops or my sister, they'll bring you over here. We always pick out a random car, and we will today. We'll pick out this one right here. Nissan Skyline. $25, Fast and Furious. Also, if you want to pick up some t-shirts, we have 4 different designs available through April, and then we're going to cut it off for a little bit. They're $20 each. Go check them out, pick them up. You can look in the description below or go to maplemotors.com and order directly from that site. Thanks, guys. And yes, there is dollar cars here, so if you bring your kids, you don't want to spend $5, $20, $100 on a car, you can pick up the dollar cars here in the aisle. All right, checking out the showroom here. It's a lot of sold stuff at the moment. We've got one thing in here that is available. This is a personal ride. That back there eventually will be for sale. It's more of a race car. And then right over here, personal ride, twin turbo Corvette. And then you got the 55 Bel Air. That's Pops's. He's going to get it. He promised me he's going to get it out and drive it. This one here sold pretty quick. I never got to list it. Same with this one. Never got to list it. I actually wanted that car, but I didn't even know we had it in stock, and it sold before I could do anything with it. This one here, 1968 Firebird, and she's set up for the road, but she looks like the strip all the way. Big block under the hood, roll bar, nice interior. Convertible, big tire car, but it's streetable. This one here, I wish I could post it, but it's already sold. Guys, this is a show car, 1972 Dodge Challenger. You can see it's super nice. A lot of stuff comes through here. A good 10% of our inventory sells as soon as I get it, guys. That one there, also not available. 29 Ford. Let's get back out on the lot and find some stuff that is actually available. Here's those shirts real quick. If you want to pick up some, we're going to cut it off at the end of April, so we won't have any more online shirts available for at least 2 or 3 months. All right, guys. '87 Mustang convertible, white top, white interior, purple paint, chrome wheels, and it's $12,900 on the 5.0 under the hood. Huge sold bay back here at the end of the video. Always walk through the sold bay to show previous inventory that came through last week. Again, if I've done test drives on anything and it's sitting in the bay here, you'll see it pop up at the end of the week as a sold video. You don't have to watch it, but a lot of people like to see what came in throughout the week. That's why I post them, and I spent like 3 hours making each one of these test drive videos, so I figured I'm going to show you what I did. I'm not going to delete the video, and I'll mark it as sold too, so you know before you even click on it. Don't get mad at me. But I got more cars for you. Let's go. Fresh row of cars here. 1946 Pontiac Silver Streak. This one here is $18,900 in maroon. 1957 210 trim package, and the one next to it's a Bel Air. This one's LS converted, $27,900. Here's the Bel Air. It is a project car. Needs paint. $27,900 on this one. For some reason I thought this one already sold, but it's still here. 1955 Bel Air, orange and white with the orange and white interior. 4-speed car, $31,900. Chrysler Imperial. This one's, what is it, 392 Hemi under the hood. New interior, needs paint. You can see the paint's kind of got that patina going on. 57 model. $5,950. Come on. We have had 10 people on it all at once. 1967 Chrysler Newport sitting here. This one is $11,900 and the price has been dropped. $1975 Chevy Impala. For some reason, I thought somebody was buying this last week. I guess not. $15,900. It may already be sold. I haven't checked the website. I just came out here, started videoing for y'all. Now, this is a pretty clean truck. And the wheels, you could change them out if you don't like them, but if you do like them, it's a bonus. If you don't like them, you can actually sell them and make quite a bit of money off of them. This is a 1984 Chevy C10 truck. Clean red paint job, $17,900. What about a 1984 Chevy Custom Deluxe? This is a long bed truck, 4-wheel drive, $79.50. Now, you know I love these Camaros. I got one at the house. This one here, 2002 Chevy SS Camaro, convertible. Black interior, red paint, $16,900. $1972 Chevy El Camino, silver with the black stripes, $17,900. Got something new. It's right here. 1970 Chevy Chevelle. Best year. Definitely most popular year. $30,900. You want some more new? Got it right here. 71 Chevelle, black with the white stripes. This one's got stereo system, new interior, aftermarket set of US mags, disc brakes, $34,900. Oh wait, I got some more new. 1966 Chevy Chevelle. This one's blue with the black interior, $34,900. I haven't test drove these two, but I plan on doing them first today. So I'll have these two videos out later in the week for you to check out. We're gonna walk the lot one more time, check everything out, make sure I didn't miss nothing. If you're new to the channel, please hit like, subscribe, share this video. That actually helps me out quite a bit. And I do enjoy my job, so please help me out. Again, check out maplemotors.com for finance and shipping and detailed pictures of all of these cars. Every Monday, I update with new inventory. You can also find us on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. I make different videos for all the platforms. And usually on Mondays, I'll drop one of these lot walks showing off all the new inventory. How about Rob Run this weekend? We're going out to Gatlinburg, Tennessee on Pigeon Forge to check out all the cars going out there. I know they're trying to shut it down, but I've talked to hundreds of people who are still going, so I don't think it's going anywhere. It's kind of crazy. The reasoning that I heard, I don't know what y'all heard, but you can leave it in the comments, is Dolly Parton was mad about it. I don't get it. Why would she be mad about us bringing classic cars to the mountains? We've done that for 50 years. Well, I ain't even been alive that long, but people have been going up there for years to do the rod run. Thousands of hot rods show up, and everybody just hangs out. I think a lot of people were probably just selling their cars wrong up there, but we like to go every single year, twice a year. I do have about 5 more test drives to get done, so I'm gonna have to get at least 3 done today, 2 done tomorrow, and then I gotta work on the following week before I go out of town. That's why I get them all done ahead of time, so that I actually have stuff to schedule and post for you throughout the week. Some people were getting mad and calling, well, when are you posting this? Well, I can only do 3 a day. I could do more, but it's just wasting my videos. I have to spread them out, keep the algorithm going. It gets more hits, like thousands and thousands more hits if I only post 3 a day. If I post more than that, I'm just messing up myself. But that's why you only see about 3 videos pop out every single day. Except for like Saturday and Sunday, I try to limit it to 1. And like this last week, I don't think I had anything going out on Sunday. Listen to that. I do appreciate you watching, guys. Thanks again. Be sure to hit subscribe, share. You want to know information about these cars? MapleMotors.com has a full description. Each car has its own test drive, going over motor size, how it runs and drives. And in the walk around, honestly, I don't know every single motor size because I don't memorize all of that, because we get 60 cars a month. I'd have to have a cheat sheet. Memorize all this stuff. But you get the drift. If you see something you like, you can find out all the information easily at MapleMotors.com. Thanks again for watching. My name is Nick, guys. Be sure to hit that like button, hit subscribe, share this video. I got more test drives. I'm gonna put this one together for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Later, guys.